Trends and Sense on the Midday Connection.
It's that time. It's time for us to talk about izinto ezihlangene neimali zethu. Joining us in studio namhlanje Mehla Madala. Goshami, Thembisa Luthulu is the financial planner and wealth advisor. Good afternoon, Thembisa.
Good afternoon, champions.
Long time no see, no hear, no do, no nothing, eh?
It's just been 4 months. Only 4 months. Only.
Khona relationship eqhubekayo umuntu ungambona after 4 months.
I've been connecting with you guys. Yeah.
Wena Thembisa kanti ubufuna kube kude kangakanani?
Well, 4 months is too long. That's why I said let me make time.
And still Thembisa ufika nje ulengise izandla. Awusiphathe lothu njengabantu abakhumbulayo.
Guys. I'll make it up to you.
You made it in time just for spring, and that means my paycheck out for. Actually, this thing made me realize I've got 4 paychecks left.
Only 4. And actually 3.
Stop it, Red.
Yeah, so it's only 4 paychecks.
We're talking about spring cleaning our finances. Maybe this concept of spring cleaning is quite new to me. How do we spring clean our finances?
So remember with spring coming in, it means we're coming from winter and we've been cooped in, even in our homes, right? It's finances as well. Sometimes we do things, I say nags and training, you just buy warm clothes, you buy warm food, you just do things as you go by.
Yeah.
So in our homes, masakingeni spring is siyakhipha amakhethini siyawasha siyaclean amakhona sigudluza impede. It's the same concept with your money, right? When it springs and because it's the third quarter of the year, it means you need to review a lot of things, your debit orders, your subscriptions, and planning for the festive season so that you don't get any shock, and review how far have I come with the goals that I had set for the year, right? But also realize if you haven't met your goals or you see okay, I'm not gonna meet them, start planning for the coming year.
And maybe what are some of the clutter mistakes that we do that dirty our finances? Energy spring clean.
Yeah. So it's debit orders that you probably have forgotten about it. Let's say you've got a Netflix, a Prime Video, whatever, but you haven't watched those things, right? In a long time, but you're paying Labo 200 unsubscribe.
Yes.
You've had a funeral covers, you've just been adding funeral covers without noticing that you're actually duplicating covers. And you might actually one day when it comes to claim, you're not gonna be able to claim on some others, but you've been paying. So go review your funeral covers. Have you duplicated some of the covers? Have you duplicating covering some other people? Because there's always limits. And then cancel what you need to cancel, right?
Good.
Look at your debt. Have you been paying as you're supposed to pay? How is your credit score? Because some people want to buy cars in December.
Yes,
but are you ready for that? Because you still have 3 months to actually work on your credit score. So that's the decluttering that I'm talking about. Just go look for your last 3 to 6 months bank statement and find out how has been my habits are and how can I make it better.
Lempasha i-budget clean up.
Yes.
Uqala ke ukuze ubone phela mali kuseyimali nani.
Simple things, your takeaways, your airtime, your data, how many times do you go out, buying clothes, buying your shoes, taking your partner out. So it's this everyday small things, your top ups, your groceries. Are you still buying groceries necessarily so, right? So those are the things that we don't notice. We think it's just everyday things, I need them, but in actual fact
you're bleeding.
But you're bleeding and you're leaking. So start there before you go on the bigger things.
So yithenga grocery.
Nope.
Nama ngiyithengi. So Kapela ubona ngaleso sikhathi kufanele udle.
And that's the biggest leak.
But ngiyithengi gross.
Well, that means udla ama takeaways zonke into.
Ngiyadla nje wena yazi lokho.
Uyadla here and there.
Ngiyadla nje.
Yes.
Well, it's up to you. You need to review what do I want.
Ngibale ukuthi mhlambe ngispenda malini
kulokudla ungene kwi-app. Probably you spend 10,000, you could have spent 5,000 if you were cooking half of the week, because I mean realistically siba busy, so you might not be able to cook every day, but if you were to dedicate just 2 days of cooking, what difference will it make?
I mean magno petrol nje ngadlela sawumenga phakathi escafini go right ile impilo ampara kusena ni wa within Rands and Cents khona la kwiKakasi FM ake sihambe seyitolo masibuya we unpack further ngalo lolu daba le spring cleaning your finances njengoba sekuzophela unyaka.
Rands and Cents on the Midday Connection.
We are still within our conversation your spring cleaner your finance njengoba ke sekuyisikhathi sekuzophela inyanga ke angazi Thembisa ke does spring cleaning also include checking our credit card score and why is that important?
So let's remember briefly, credit score is like your school reports, right? It indicates how you're paying your debt, if you've been paying in time, if you've been paying the correct amounts, so that the lenders or creditors are able to trust you with their money and borrow you money. It's either through credit card, revolving loan, personal loans, car, or even home loans.
Sure. And
we know during this time, it's where people really want to like take debt. It's either because they want to upgrade their homes, they want to pay off, whatever. So if you are going to take any debt at this point, then it's necessary for you to first look at yourself before my creditors as I bonele one credit score. Because also it does happen that you just when I go come back or you've been paying right, sekune fraud you find the squelette in your name. So check your report so that you are aware where do I stand and will I qualify, because kunama range it's credit score that means I will qualify if I look for a bond or a car or even a loan. So that's very important for you to check your credit score at this point as part of your spring cleaning of your finances.
What's the best way of checking in the Bazama investment in our policies or retirement? Is aligned nama goals now? Yeah.
So first go back to what you had planned or written down as your goals in the beginning of the year. That would be short term, right? How is your emergency fund looking like, right? Because we usually say at least have 3 to 6 months of your expenses as emergency fund. How far are you with that? Sure. But beside that, we are going to a season where our school fees will be required to be paid up front. Have you saved enough for that? If you haven't, how far are you? Will it means now a bonus or whatever the case is? So reviewing your financial goals when it comes to investment means you need to review the goals itself. What did you want to invest for and save for, and then go check the balances. If unabo zero, that means really you haven't done anything. But if you've done something but you haven't reached or even in a space, maybe review the strategy that you put in place to save or invest.
So
no, guys, I mean, life is not linear. The reality is that also life is unpredictable. We plan, but life decides, right? So it just means you need to re-strategize, realign, and rework on your plans, and you'll eventually achieve them. Yes, we give ourselves timelines, but it doesn't mean you can never achieve them again if in that timeline it didn't work.
Mina le conversation ngithintile and I know yamthinta nomlalelo Kakasi FM. So mhlawumbe ungathini, what's that one small financial spring cleaning habit oyirecommendayo if umuntu efuna ukuqala at this very moment spring clean ama finances akhe?
So I'll say first, be true to yourself. Don't compare yourself to the next person. Look at your own things. That's number one. And then if you unenkinga, then be aware of the problem, seek help, but also start with the small things as require a huge pull of a muscle. If you've been failing, take away njengo Sonic, maybe start reduce with one takeaway per week, right? Look other ways of buying airtime. Start small, but also ensure that you make some change somewhere.
Hayi Thembisa kuyezwakala mfethu. Into yakhe clear mfethu. Manje abantu befuna ukuthola more advice on how to handle their finances bakuthola kanjani?
So I'm on Facebook, it's Thembisa V Luthuli, and on Instagram it's Thembisa_Luthuli official.
Lovely.
Thank you so much.
Kakasi FM.